Then you have to use a sandpaper and brush all the contacts again. Brush also this contacts because those are responsible for the input. Gently brush them. Don't do pressure. Don't apply more pressure onto it because it will pull out and break easily. Just clean the contacts. That's it. Then use contact cleaner again, and there also brush off all the contacts. Also brush off all those contacts as well. Then make sure all the ball bearings are in their positions as it supposed to be. Yes, it is. Then gently put back the PCB on to its place where it should be, and make sure you have to press those things first, then it will go through that easily. And while you are doing that, please make sure you clean those contacts because those are for displays. If they don't make contacts, then it won't work, you can't see anything.